Good morning, beautiful people. It's your girl Michelle Ijama, and I am coming to you barefaced, natural hair and all. And y'all, I'm surprised I'm here. I'm not even gonna lie, I am very, very surprised I'm here because I didn't see myself coming back to the vlogging space for a second because your girl is trying to recoup from all the wedding planning, from all the traveling and all the things. And so we've got a lot to catch up on. First of all, let's talk about the skin. Your girl is trying to glow up. You guys know that, you know, I've had this ongoing skin journey, dealing with the hyperpigmentation, dealing with the adult acne and all the things. And so it has been an ongoing journey, and I'm being barefaced because obviously I'm trying to minimize the amount of makeup I wear so that my skin can breathe and just be glowing by the time August rolls around. As for the hair, y'all, it's a bit of a wash and go. We tried. Your girl has been protective styling for so long that sis doesn't even know how to style her hair. And on top of that, I am kind of trying a new regimen, a new method. There are so many hair updates. Like there's a lot. We've got a lot to catch up on. I do have to do a length check. I do want to do a review on the Dream Girls hair products and like whether or not they help with length retention and promoting hair growth. There's just so much to talk about, and I'm really, really excited. Like I said, I am filming a weekend in the life of a lawyer. Today is actually Friday. I already got my day started, and so I'm just gonna pick up where I left off. I haven't really had a chance to like make my morning smoothie or my tea, and so we'll probably just jump into that. But yeah, like there's a lot to discuss. I'm gonna just do about wedding planning things because when I say it's been quite a journey, it's been quite a journey. It's been a little bit, just a teeny bit stressful, but no big deal. It's all, you know, worth the experience and all the things. And so yeah, let's get the day started. Even good things can fail to satisfy you if you elevate them above me. So come to me each morning with your emptiness and longings. So that's a wrap on my work day. It is actually 5:43. I'm actually going to put on some shoes and then take a walk to the wine and liquor store because we have no wine and I need wine. And so yeah, I don't know if I mentioned earlier before, I think we're gonna do date night. So I've got to kind of figure out what I'm gonna wear for date night. Hey. So I'm actually getting ready for date night tonight. I didn't feel like doing makeup in the bathroom, so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna just do my makeup in the living room. It's not well lit right now, but I'm gonna make it do what it do because I don't want to do a full face, kind of like what I was explaining in one of the earlier clips. I'm trying to work on my skin, so I'm doing very, very minimal makeup. I'll just set you guys down so you guys can see everything that I'm doing. Good morning, beautiful people. It is Saturday. Last night ended a little abruptly. Like we went to dinner. I didn't capture any footage from dinner because I kind of wanted to be in the moment, especially as, you know, this is my first week back into New York. I wanted to kind of be in the moments and just enjoy my time with Dr. Bay. So sorry, no footage there. But today you will get a good amount of footage. I've got quite a few errands that I'm gonna be running. I'm gonna be filming, doing a little bit of unboxing because some of the packages for things that I purchased over the last, you know, week or so have finally come in. Day 2 wash and go hair. It's a little crunchy back here. It's all shrinking up, but we're here for it. The first package that I'm going to open up is from Best of Life Organics. I have a collaboration with them, and so let's see what they sent me. So I've really been into, like, you know, body care stuff, and so they sent me their rose gold body oil, and it's got little rose gold flakes in them. Oh, I like this. Let's see. I like this kind of stuff simply because I like doing self-care things. So they also sent me the Body Party Hydrating Body Wash. It's the peach and ginger. Y'all know how I feel about ginger scented products like lemon, ginger. I love peach. They also sent me this peach and ginger butter, and so look out for my skincare video involving all of that. The final thing that I'm gonna unbox, I'm so excited, is from Sephora. Yes, y'all know I love perfumes, and so I got La Vie Estebelle by Lancome, one of my favorite scents. It is just a lovely, lovely scent, especially with spring and summer coming around. This, I just had to re-up on this because I was out. I also got the Too Faced Hangover Primer. This is my go-to primer. It just makes my skin feel protected. I also went ahead and got the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. You guys know that I normally use Pharmacy, but I wanted to try something new. I really like Clinique products. I also got the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray in the travel version, simply because I will be traveling a lot, and it just kind of didn't make sense for me to buy a bigger size because I still have my bigger size available. Really excited about this one is the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc Shimmering Body Oil. I have been eyeballing this for so long, and now that summer has come around and my skin is gonna be out, I figured I need a little something that will have my skin shimmering and jazzing as I'm wearing all the summer dresses. Last but certainly not least, a makeup brush cleanser. So yeah, those are all the items that I got from Sephora. I am so excited about this. Like, y'all don't understand how much I love fragrances and smelling good. That concludes the unboxing portion of this vlog. Let's get into actually making videos. That is a wrap on filming my videos for the day. Yes, we are so happy. Look at my cute little shirt. Black hair grows because black hair does grow. Now it's time to run errands. I think I'm going to go to Trader Joe's, Target, and I'm bringing you with me. So let's go. All right, so I'm all ready to go to Target. I am wearing my teddy coat from Misguided. I'm wearing a crop top from Forever 21, Fashion Nova jeans, and my sneakers are white leather Converses. So I'm gonna definitely try to take you guys with. I am really digging my hair. My Uber will be here in 3 minutes, so I'm gonna run down. So as soon as I got through running my errands, I decided I wanted to get dinner started. I decided today I would be making short ribs, and so I'm cutting up some onions, my Scotch bonnet peppers, some ginger. I'll add my seasoning like garlic salt, black pepper, crushed peppers, and adobo. And then I'll add some soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then mix everything together, and then I will put everything into the slow cooker or rice cooker, whatever it is that you want to call it, so that it can cook while I am preparing my vegetables, which will be broccoli today. I have not had broccoli in a long time, and so I had this very interesting craving for it, and so yeah, that's what I'm doing here. So yeah, this is what the broccoli looks like up close and personal. And then this is what the short ribs look like when it's pretty much done. We are having a non-alcoholic night tonight, so we'll be drinking some San Pellegrino. Still trying to keep it fancy by drinking out these wine glasses, but yes, this is the finished product. Super delicious and very easy to make. Good morning, beautiful people. Happy Tuesday. Today is actually more of a low-key day. I don't really have any meetings. I think I have one meeting on the schedule today, and that's awesome because it'll give me the time to kind of just work on substantive stuff and not just, you know, take a bunch of calls and then later in the day start working on like the work, right? So that's really nice. Outside of my work day, I actually have quite a bit that I have to do for wedding planning. As you guys may or may not know, I got engaged last October 2020, and we embarked on this journey of planning a wedding essentially in 4 months. We pretty much decided we were going to get married this year, and in April we started planning our wedding. And at first it was going to be like a traditional Nigerian wedding, and now we're planning both the traditional Nigerian wedding and what we call the white wedding, which is like the white gown wedding. And so I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little stressed, but also God says not to worry. I'm gonna put it in his hand. It's gonna be a beautiful, whatever we do is gonna be beautiful, or at least that's what I'm hoping. I feel like God gives his kids what they want and what they need, so hopefully we'll be in alignment. All of this is kind of like flying over my head as I talk to you guys about it. So yeah, that is what today is gonna look like. Hey, it is Saturday and here we are. Today has been kind of a busy morning. I actually did a wash and go using the Uncle Funky curl stimulator, the Inner Sense, and a bunch of other new products. And then I filmed a couple of other videos, which is why I didn't start vlogging until much later in the day. I'm getting ready to go into the city. We have a bunch of errands to run related to our wedding, and so that's what we'll do. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I'm wearing. We're getting ready to like leave the house right now, and so let me go ahead and put on my shoes, and then I will come back and show you my full outfit. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and do a very quick outfit of the day. Turtleneck by Boohoo, jacket, Zara, pants, Everlane, watch, shoes from Adidas. And then our scent of the day is going to be Her by Burberry. This is one of my very favorite scents. The bag that I'm wearing is actually my long chomp tote because I'll be carrying my computer, and so I couldn't do a small little crossbody bag or anything like that because I need my computer. So yeah,